Welcome to the adventure spot. We are on Impulse at Knoebels Amusement Resort. You excited?
I am. This is different than anything else we've been on.
So far we've been on wooden coasters. This is our steel coaster at 90 degree lift hill.
To the lap bar and keep going back against the back.
Fortunately, there aren't shoulder restraints on this. Just the lap bar. Here we go. Woo!
And it goes straight to the top.
Woo! A little dizzy there. Whew. Ah. Ah. Whew. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure and stay tuned for more on the adventure spot.